This is how to change the engine air filter in your 2014 to 2021 Toyota Tundra. You're going to want to start by popping the hood and getting that hood open. And then if you're facing the truck, to the left is where you'll actually find the airbox. And it's actually pretty simple to remove. You're going to want to find the two clips on either side. Pretty simple, it's a clamp system, so just pop it and then you'll do that to the other side. Once you have those two clamps released, I recommend just pulling the airbox cover a little bit towards you, like towards your chest, and you'll be able to have more mobility, be able to get in and out of there a little bit easier. Once you have that done, you just pull out the old air filter, check it out, see how dirty it is. If you have a vacuum, I don't know, close by, I would vacuum out inside. I didn't, so I didn't do it, but if you do, it doesn't hurt. Once you have it out, now it's time to open up the new one and get that bad boy in there. I'll leave the one that I used linked down below, but I'll also include the original part number. That way if you want to go OEM, then go ahead. I believe it's like double the price though. Now it's time to put the new filter inside of the airbox. So just go ahead and put that in the same way it came out. And then once you're putting the airbox cap back on, just make sure that everything lines up before you try to jam anything in. This does not need any force at all. It's really simple to do. So on the back side of the airbox, there's these two little clips. Just make sure that the cap lines up there, and then once you're putting the clamps on, you won't have any problems. It'll clamp up real easily, and you're done. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.